Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 9, chapter 3, coordinate geometry, exercise 3.3, question 2. Plot the points xy given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. So here it is given to us the coordinates of x and coordinates of y. In another word, the values of x and the values of y it is given to us. We have to plot this points and taking suitable units of distance on the axis. So first we have to draw the graph. So let's draw the graph. So on this line you have to draw y-axis and then we draw x-axis, okay. So this is our x-axis and here it is our y-axis. So then we have to now take the suitable distance as it is said. Okay, suitable distance means this is our origin for x also and for y also. So now we take suitable distance from here to here, taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, same distance we have to take both the sides. So here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. I want to take one more -6. So now top we have to take same distance. This is 0. From 0 to here how much distance? From here to how much distance? Same distance here also and here also. So here it will be plus. So +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So same way here also we have to take, this will be -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So on x-axis, on y-axis 1 centimeter we have taken as 1 unit, like these boxes you can see, no? I'll just explain to you. See, if you see here, this distance, like we take it as 1 centimeter as 1 unit, and same way this box, then this point like this, no? So you can also, if we are taking, like for example, if we take this from 0 to here 1 centimeter, if I take as a 2 unit, then if I write here 2, then it will be 4, then 6, 8, 10, like that. That means it comes as 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit. So here we have taken 1 unit. 1 centimeter I have taken as 1 unit. 1, 2, 3. So that means I can write down on x-axis also and y-axis also, 1 centimeter I have taken as 1 unit. From here also 1 centimeter, 1 unit it is. 1 is the difference here everywhere. So 1 unit. So if I say from here to here, if I write it is 5. If I say this is 5, then I will 5, then it will be 10, 15, 20, 25. Same way y also, if I take this is as 5, 10, 15, 20, then I will write like this. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit, if I write like that. Understand? So if I am taking y also same way, then you have to write on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 unit. Okay, normally we write here at the top. Here we write on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to, now I have taken as 1 unit, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, because I have taken like this only 1 unit. If you see all each box 1, 2, 3. Here also if you see 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is very important. So this I will rub it now. Okay, so our first point is what? Minus 2 and 8. On x it is minus 2 and y it is 8. So minus 2 and 8. So let's do minus 2 and 8. Minus 2 on y x axis. So minus 2 is here. Minus 2 is here. And on y it should be 8. So on y axis it is 8 is here. So both the point where it is meeting, that is the point we have to do. So minus 2 is here. So I go up direction because 8 is here up direction. So minus 2 to here. And 8 is from this direction. So both the place where it is meeting, that is the point we have to write down. So both the line meeting at this point, that is minus 2 and 8. So our next point. So next point is minus 1 and 7. So minus 1 and 7. So minus 1 on x, minus 1 is here. Minus 1. 7 is positive, so it will be up direction. So let's take minus 1 is here and 7 is here. So let's draw the line. So minus 1, it will go up direction because it is positive. This direction it is 7, it is here. So this is the point where both the lines are meeting. So this is minus 1 and 7. So now next it is 0. On x it is 0 and y it is minus 1.25. So first we will locate 0 and for y minus 1.25. So for x 0 is here and for y it is minus 1. So 0 here, then for y minus 1 is down direction it will come. And minus 1.25 it is. So minus 1 is here, then 0.25. Now how to find out 0.25? So let me magnify so that you can see it properly. Okay, so for x 0 is here, right? For x 0 is here and for y it is minus 1 and minus 1.25. So if you see small line, can you see these are small lines? So these we consider as units. Okay, so you know there are 10 lines are there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lines are there. So now what we will do, so since that is asked of us 0.25 or you say 0.25 if you say, that means each line we will consider as a 10. So that means this will be 10, second line is 20, third is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. Okay, so each line is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then it becomes complete 1 unit. Okay, so each line we will consider as 10. So this is minus 1. So first line this will be minus 1.10. Second line is minus 1.20. And then third line will be minus 1.30. But what is asked of is 25. So that means this is minus 1.10, 1.20, 1.30. So that means between 20 and 30 we have to put the point and that becomes minus 1.25. So the point will come here between 20 and 30. I hope it is clear to you. So this point becomes 0 on x, and on y minus 1.25. Okay. So each line, can you see the small lines? So that we consider as a 10, 20, 30, 40. For this point we consider, because here it is given 2, 5, right? 25 it is. That's why each we consider as a 10, 20, 30, so that we can find out 25. So that will come between 20 and 30. Between there will come 25. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So now next point. So next point is 1, 3. So on x1 and y3. So 1, 3. So 1 is on x here. On x, 1 is here, and for y, 3 is here. So let both the point meet. So from 1, we'll draw the line. And from 3, we draw the line. So both are meeting at this point, that is 1, 3. So now next point is 3, minus 1. So 3 is here. On x, 3 is here, and for y minus 1. Okay. So x, 3 is here, for y minus 1. Y minus 1 is here. So both have to meet at this point. So 3 will come from this direction, minus 1 will come from this direction. So 3 and minus 1. So this will meet at this point, 3, minus 1. So like this only you have to plot the points on the graph. Thank you. God bless you.